evaluate the integral from 4 to 9 of 1 over 1 minus root x dx, given your answer in the form a plus b ln of c, where a, b, c are integers. So we've got 1 over minus the square root of x dx. So using integration by substitution, so we're going to let u be equal to the denominator. So u is equal to 1 root of x. We need to differentiate this. So it's 1 minus x to the half. Du by dx will be a half x to the minus a half. So, and using the rule of indices, that makes that minus 1 over 2 root x. So we need a replacement for dx. So rearranging this, we're going to get that dx is 2 root x over du. But root x will be 1 minus u if we rearrange this. So we're going to have the dx is minus 2, 1 minus u du. We have to also change the limits. So when x is 4, u will be 1 minus root 4, so it's 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. And when x is equal to 9, u will be 1 minus the square root of 9, so it's 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Now, strange though it may be, the new limits are going to be minus 1 and minus 2, even though this number here is higher than this. You leave it that way round. Dx is going to be replaced with this, so that's going to become minus 2, 1 minus u, over u du, because 1 minus root x is u. Right, simplifying that a little bit, minus 2 times 1 will become minus 2 over u, and then plus 2u over u will become plus 2. And then just swapping these two over before we do the integral, so this becomes the integral from minus 1 to minus 2 of 2 minus 2 over u du. We can now integrate this. So the integral of 2 is 2u, and the integral of 2 over u is going to be minus 2 ln of the absolute value of u. We have to use the absolute value, because otherwise when you substitute these negative values in, you won't be able to take ln. So this will be 2 times minus 2. Substituting in minus 2. 2 minus 2 ln of minus 2. Minus brackets 2 times minus 1 minus 2 ln of the absolute value of minus 1. Be very careful with the minus signs and how you substitute in. So we get minus 4 minus 2 ln of 2, and then we get minus, which it makes plus 2, and then ln of 1 will be equal to 0. So this bit here will be equal to 0. So minus 4 plus 2 gives minus 2 ln of 2, which is a plus b ln of c. A is minus 2, b is minus 2, and c is 2. If we look at this geometrically, this is the curve of 1 over 1 minus root x. This is the required area. We can see that 2 minus 2 ln of 2 is minus 3.39, correct to 3 centimeter figures. So this has been a video to show you how to do a definite integral by substitution. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.